Hello, every day we looking at the chart and we say, wow, what the perfect chart. We bought here, we sold here, we bought here. We sold here, we bought here, and then we sold here. We did 3 trades, right? 1, 2, 3. And that's why I am going to talk about how you can do this before it happens, and let's go back to the future. So as you could see here, we had area that it was the area of interest that you can actually buy or sell. And that's why I feel like I should share with you an indicator that does it for us. It's not 100% perfect, but most cases I would say 80+% works out good, which is enough for us to use in an indicator based on the probability of happening. So in this area, as you can see, I'm just bringing up PLTR, and I was looking at the chart. I'm like, oh, that's perfect area, right? Buying down here and selling somewhere in this area, and then waiting for another, dip. We bought here and then selling pretty much in this area, because we got the confirmation of the candle, indulging candle here, and then we get another position here because this consolidating, and we see candle is confirming with the doji, as well as when we get to the top, once we see the reversal, lower low, we can get up. So but what indicator can we use to help us to identify that area? So as you can see, if you're a chart trader, this is also the trend, and also this is a trend line, and so is this one is starting to form, but we haven't taken a trade yet, or we could have basically take a trade here. Let's see if we can do this by using one indicator that tells us or alert us when we should get in and out. So go to your indicator on TradingView. I'm using TradingView, as you know, it's most popular platform for charting. You look for Hall Suite. So this one here, Hall Suite, I have it in my favorite, so you just click. Let's get rid of that, and it's there. I'm just gonna all right, let's see if this actually was going to happen. So our buy assumption was here, which is Hall Suite also indicated to buy. So how is Hall Suite work is when you see the ribbon is turning from red to green and the candle starts forming above the green, that's where you take your position based on long or short, and as long as it stays above the green, you're long until you will see candle goes and close. That's very important to know, close below the green, and then eventually candle is gonna turn red. So let's say we based on closing below the green would be here, we should have taken off position here, and we sell our position here. So we go long here, and then we sell right up here, which is a good risk reward ratio. Let's just do our calculation based on risk and reward. Okay, so assuming this is our position, and we look for the low of the candle to stop out maybe a few cents lower, So by taking a position here, your stop loss would have been like so small, like you would be basically stopping for this size, depending on what size you're taking, but this area I should say, and then you're taking along here, and as you can see, it never came close to your stop. Because why? Because we are above all sweet ribbon, which is still showing uptrend and it's showing a good area to follow up. I'm sure if you bring up RSI as another confirmation, that would have also helped you to decide if you should actually take it. Why my RSI is not showing? Oh, here. So this is the RSI, and the other thing you want to remember is based on the chart we want a confirmation. So crossing RSI was happening here. The signal is happening whenever the blue line goes above the yellow on RSI. You take a position long and you wait until it goes below it, which is exactly area here, and then we see the confirmation still is happening here a little bit later on. But based on the whole suite, you actually took position here, and then you should have gotten out somewhere here. Let's just get rid of this. So you basically based on what the whole suite tells us or alerted us, we should have got in here, right? That area, and then but we would have been stopped out because of going below the green and so on. So but it's, to me, and also, oh, this is a daily actually chart. Let's do 5 minutes chart. Okay, 5 minutes chart. If you are short trader or short time frame trader, that would have been also our area of going long here and sell here, and also the good thing about 5 minutes, the noise is cut off, so you basically would go long here and you would have gone long here, and also you would have gone long here, right? And your sell area would be that area. You're still in profit from here to here, and your sell would have been here. You're still in profit from here to here, and your first trade, if you took that here, you would have got out here still in profit. So I tested this and I'm actually using it pretty much every day. For those who are also going to comment about reprint, yes, it is a reprint with, I would say, not even a minute delay. So a few second delay or completion of your candles. I suggest you test this out and see how it works, paper traded, whatever you want, but I thought this is a good indicator to use in a daily basis. For us, we can always go and check different ticker and chart. So this is Tesla. If you were going to trade Tesla, you would have bought based on all suite here, and you would have got out here still profitable, right? So on and so forth. Let's go to Neo. Neo, you would have bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, so all of them profitable. You didn't have to really stop out on any of this trade. I suggest not to use this with the low time frame because there is noises, plus it's gonna be too many trades. 5 to 15 minutes, it's my preferred time frame. And also if you are swing trader, I think you can do hourly, which is why here in hourly you would be in a trade now, right? You would be in a trade and you're waiting for your exit depending on whatever ticker you're looking at. I'm just going with what was running last trading day. Same thing, Nvidia, pretty much a little bit choppy, but still you are in a good trade. Apple would have been a perfect trade. PLTR would have been few trades, but you still be profitable, and it's holding a trend line. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do so, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for my every week videos that I'm bringing up a value video for you guys who are day trader, swing trader, and long-term trader. And I hope I see you in my next video. Until then, have a good one.